students. Today I send you questions gram molar mass or relative molecular mass. For example, this is the first sum, calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 twice. So first we can write the atomic mass of calcium phosphate oxygen. So in these molecules calcium phosphate oxygen, there are 3 atoms. So we can write the first atomic mass of calcium phosphate oxygen. Calcium Ca equal to 40, phosphorus P is equal to 30, oxygen O is equal to 16. This is the atomic mass of calcium phosphate oxygen. So then we can find out the gram molar mass or relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass of calcium phosphate. So first calcium, how many calcium presents? There are 3 calcium. So 40 into 3. 40 is the atomic mass of calcium, 3 is the number of calcium atom, plus 30 plus into 16 into 4. 16 means 30 is the phosphorus atomic mass, 16 is the oxygen atomic mass, into 4 is the number of oxygen atom present in the molecules, into 4. Commonly twice PO4 twice, no, so we can write phosphorus only 1, so we can write 30. Then plus oxygen atomic mass into 4 oxygen into 4 into 2. So 40 into 3 120, 340 is 120, plus 30 plus 16 into 4 64. So 64 plus 30 94 into 2. So 120 plus 94 into 2 188. So total 308. So the answer is gram molar mass of calcium phosphate is 308 gram. This is the gram molar mass of calcium phosphate. Another, already I send you one video, relative molecular mass, relative atomic mass. So you can see and understand this, and all I send you examples of sum. Then another sum, calculation based on the number of moles from mass and volume. Number of moles, already 4 formula is there. Only first one is mass divided by atomic mass. Mass of the element divided by atomic mass of the element. First sum, calculate the number of moles in 46 gram of sodium. So the formula is mass of the element. Mass of the element in the sum 46 divided by atomic mass of the element. What is the element in this sum? Sodium. So sodium atomic mass we can write denominator. So numerator 46, mass of the element in the given problems. So 46 divided by atomic mass of sodium 23. 46 divided by 23, 2 moles. So the answer is 2 moles of sodium. So this is the answer. You can see and understand. I will give you the example sums to calculate the number of moles. Thank you.